Welcome back guys, this is Shrikant. Today we are going to talk about one of the part of the MSBI technology, that is SSRS. So I'm going to create or I'm going to explain you related with the SSRS. So let's start. Okay, so how to open the SSRS project? First of all, that is very important. So what you guys need to do, you need to go to your search box and there you need to type the data tool. You need to install it obviously, and I hope you guys know how to install. You can get all those things on or the internet, or if you guys have any doubt, please let me know. I'll create a separate video for the installation, but right now I'm assuming you guys know how to do that. So I do have installed the SQL server in different version of SQL server, but I'm going with one of the version. You can go any version. So just type the data tool and you will see the version for the data tool here, and just click on the one. So the moment you will click on any one function application, it will get open, and when the application will get opened, you will see the window like this. And here I'm going to tell you how to create the SSRS project. First of all, so you guys need to go to the file menu, then you need to go to the new, then there are multiple options. Now we are going to create a project, so we will click on a project. So the moment you click on a project, one pop-up will come, and there you will see the multiple business intelligence services which are installed on the your system. So basically these are basically different kind of project which have been installed on my machine. So there are three things, right? As I told you, in the business intelligence consists of analysis services, integration services, and the reporting services. We are going to talk about all those things one by one, but right now I'm going to talk about only the reporting services. For demonstration purpose, I'm going to take the reporting server project from the scratch. Then I'll talk about the wizard part, but right now I'm going to go with this. So just select the reporting server project and just give it the proper name here. I'm giving it as my project one, first project. You can give any name, and if you want to change the name for the solution, you can change the solution name, and if you want to create the directory for this, you can create. So just click on OK. The moment you will click on OK, the background the project get initialized and project get created, right? So you need to wait that you will see the message, and you will see the message like creating the project first report. So the Microsoft Visual Studio is creating project for us, and we need to wait for a few minutes. Okay, fine. So this project is getting created. Then what you need to do, you need to go to the view and click on a solution explorer. So moment you click on a solution explorer, you will see the multiple things like this project has been created and the name for the project is first project. Perfectly fine. Then you will see the three folder here. The first folder is shared data sources, shared data set, and the report. These are the three folder which we are seeing right now. Okay, perfectly fine. The main thing is that first here we came to design report. I'm going to tell you first of all a few things. Uh, so it's clear that how to create the reporting server project, right? We need to go to the file, then project, and we need to select the one. Here in the solution explorer, we will see the project part at the right side, and over the left side we have a toolbox. Nothing is showing because we don't have created any report here. So just click on a reports, right click on a report, and then it will show you option like do you want to create the report from the existing one or the new one. So sometime some first time it takes some time because it load internally some libraries, and you can see the message loading toolbox content from the package Microsoft data transmission services designer. So once it get loaded, you will see the box. So just go again to the report, just do a right click, and here you will see the option called as add. If you already have created any reporting file, then you can select the existing one. but if it is a fresh one, you can choose a new one. And here we need to select the which object basically you need. Now I want to create the report, so I am selecting only the report part. So simply say report, and if you want to change the name for the report RDL file, just simply change the file name. I'm changing it as first. Okay, perfectly fine. Just click on add. The moment you will click on add, the reporting file basically it will get added into your project. Okay, perfectly fine. Let's wait. Opening the file. It's opening the file internally. We're waiting for that. The moment it get loaded, it will be seen over the body section that this is the first report, and here you will see the two different tabs. The first tab is called as the design, another tab is called as a preview. So design is the area where we will design the report. Okay, now this is my report, this is my first RDL. So what's the extension for this? How will you find? Just do a right click and click on open file location, and it will prompt you to the folder where your project has been located, or where your file is located. So you will see this is a file which is having the name called as the first, and the extension for this file is .rdl. RDL stands for reporting data file. Okay, close it. Now this is a blank report. I don't have anything to design. Now I want to design. So before going that designing part, I'm going to explain you the area, all the areas which basically required to know. So here on the right side you will see different areas. Shared data sources. If you are creating any data sources mean what? Data sources is a kind of a connection which is required to connect to respective server. So here we'll add multiple data sources part, we'll talk about in next video. Then shared data source and the shared data set, basically it is a shared for all the reports, so directly you can just pass the name and you can create the shared one. I will show you how to create the shared and non shared. Here you will see the multiple option like data sets. So in a report you will have the multiple data set and we can create it from here. Then data sources, we can take it from the shared data sources, or we can create data sources only for the specific report. Then images if you want to add, then parameters if the SP are having any parameter or the report needed some parameter like the name of employee, you want to pull the data, so that is called as the parameter. Then there are a few built-in function, so we can use those one. Hope you guys understood the IDE part and the different section for the RDL, how to create the reporting project, how to open the RDL file, where to find the extension file, and the shared sources. Okay, perfectly fine. In the next video I'm going to show you how to create the data set. Okay, uh, that will be helpful for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed our video and got idea about opening and the intro about the SSRS. So in next video I'm going to show you how to create the shared data source and the individual data source. Hope you guys like our video. Please share and subscribe with our channel, so we'll get a motivation that you guys are watching. And thanks for watching.